Sommerland. This is a Vekoma Wildcat. Very interesting. It's gonna be so nice to have this hot Vekomas. This looks awesome.
Ja, sind dort ein Handwriter, der da drunter was für mein Nein, meine
All right. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Oh, it's so fun, wow. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Wow! Woo! Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's so much fun. Wow. Oh, it's so smooth.
Butter smooth.
Wow, that was great. Modern Vekoma rocks. They're so awesome.
That just might be like the smoothest coaster of the trip.
That's an awesome ride.
That was